Another day. What we're going to do today is simply strip the engine down, tear the engine. No, we're not even going to do that. No. So guys, another video, still here at Diamond City Cycles, still working on the CX500, and what we're going to do today is simply tear the engine down. When I say tear, we're going to take the extra bits that we don't need off it for the moment. So that's the thermostat, things like the fan, the subframe. The fan especially is going to be pretty tricky because I've seen other people break that spindle. I don't know how, but I mean, you know, you've got to take a bit of patience, a bit of gentle touch with it. But we can use the front axle from the CX500, screw that in with enough pressure and tighten it, it should pop the fan off. So that is a job for today. Then we'll wash it, make sure it's clean, sandblast it, and then we'll give it a quick prime as well. But that's all we're going to do for this video. It needs time to set, it needs time to dry. So we'll wait until next episode before we actually start painting the bike, but we've got some beautiful colours and I can't wait to actually show you that. But that's all we've got planned for today, so let's do it. So, something I've never done before is sandblast things. I'm going to try now. We're obviously not going to be using the vapor hone cabinet out there because two things: the engine is too heavy to put in the vapor honing. I mean, that would be amazing if we could. If we dismantled it, yeah, we could, but yeah, it's too heavy, even though it does fit. So we're going to be sandblasting. I'm going to be using a portable sandblaster outside. Where's my camera? In fact, I need to gear myself up, I need to protect myself, so that's the first thing to do. Right, so I'm all kind of clothed up. Just going behind here, so this is where we do the sand blasting bit. Engine's down there, still leaking oil, I see. Maybe it's because it's on a flat. But the bucket here, that's my bucket of mixed grit, glass bead and sand and everything like that. That's the engine. there you go. I mean, it's brought out pretty clean. This, let's put it in the light. So that is the drum hub. Then we've got the, you know, I might do that a bit more. I haven't sent this to the powder coaters only because I'm thinking of actually doing that the same orange as the tank. But I mean, that needs to come up a little bit more, but easily done. The engine is clean. The engine's squeaky clean now. And so that is all the end for this episode. We've primed, well, we've stripped the engine down, sandblasted it, primed it. I think that's enough to be doing for one episode. So that's one job done. Our next episode will be, I think, probably two things. Depends if we get the frame back from the powder coaters. We might actually start assembling the frame again, we'll see. Or in fact, the other job that we need to do is actually stretch the tank, try and get the tank to fit the frame. We can't exactly do that until we get the frame back, so it's like the chicken and the egg thing. So might even ended up painting the engine, and we've got some really nice new cast paint for that as well. So that might be next week's episode. I have no idea. Let's see what comes first, and then we can work on that. So until next week, don't forget to follow Dime City Cycles on their Instagram and YouTube, and myself as well. Follow me on YouTube and Instagram. You can see up-to-date snaps. In fact, you can actually see what the bike looks like on Instagram now, because I guess by the time that this video goes out, the bike will be finished. It's so confusing like that. Don't forget, you can win this bike as well for a £5 donation. Head to the Dime City Cycles website, the link below, and you can win this bike potentially. So until next week, ride safe, stay safe, and there'll be more CB, CX videos and everything like that in between. So I'll see you then.